Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the rumor quest from NPC Phill and Phill quickly and easily. First, just go to Kohana Island and then just talk this to NPC Phill and Phill. Just talk to them, and then next just accept the quest like this. Like this, accept the quest, and after that just tap on quest menu and then tap on a rumor, and then in here you must catch fish in the laboratory area at the Kohana Island, so just go there. Over here, right here is the locations, and then next just start fishing until the quest progress is completed and you see the check mark. And once that's done, just return to NPC Phill and Phill at the dock like this, and talk to him again to listen to the rumor. And okay, that's it. The quest will be completed and you will automatically receive 5,000 coins as your rewards. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.